Welcome to our YouTube video on how to get started on Fiverr. If you're looking to kickstart your freelancing career and earn money online, Fiverr is a great platform to showcase your skills and connect with clients from around the world. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up your Fiverr account and getting started on the platform. Welcome to our YouTube channel, my tech students. Step 1. Sign up and create your profile. The first step is to visit the Fiverr website and sign up for an account. Provide your basic information and choose a username that represents your services. Then, create a compelling profile that highlights your skills, expertise, and previous work. This is your opportunity to make a strong first impression on potential clients. Step 2. Determine your services and pricing. Next, determine the services you want to offer on Fiverr. Identify your niche and choose services that align with your skills and passion. Once you've decided on your services, it's time to determine your pricing. Research the market and set competitive prices that reflect the value you provide. Step 3. Create gig descriptions. A gig is the service you offer on Fiverr. Create detailed and engaging gig descriptions for each service you provide. Clearly outline what the client can expect, the deliverables, and any additional features or packages you offer. Use persuasive language and include samples of your previous work to showcase your expertise. Step 4. Set competitive pricing. It's important to research the market and set competitive prices for your services. Consider factors such as your experience, skills, and the value you provide to clients. Starting with reasonable prices will help you attract clients while still valuing your work. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can adjust your prices accordingly. Step 5. Upload high-quality portfolio samples. Clients want to see examples of your work before hiring you. Upload high-quality samples that demonstrate the quality of your work. Whether it's writing samples, design portfolios, or links to previous projects, make sure they represent your best work and are relevant to the services you offer. Step 6. Optimize your gig SEO. To increase the visibility of your gigs and attract more clients, optimize them for search engine optimization, SEO. Use relevant keywords in your gig title, description, and tags. Research popular search terms related to your services and incorporate them naturally in your gig content. Step 7. Start marketing your services. Now it's time to promote your Fiverr gigs and attract potential clients. Utilize social media platforms, personal networks, and online communities related to your niche. Engage with potential clients, answer their questions, and provide valuable insights through your expertise. Step 8. Provide excellent customer service. Exceptional customer service is crucial to building a successful freelancing career. Respond promptly to messages, clarify project requirements, and set realistic expectations. Strive for clear and open communication throughout the project. Deliver high-quality work on time and be open to revisions or modifications if needed. Step 9. Request feedback and reviews. Building a positive reputation on Fiverr is important. Request feedback and reviews from satisfied clients. Positive reviews and high ratings help attract new clients and establish your credibility. Encourage clients to leave reviews after completing successful projects. Step 10. Evolve and improve. As you continue your freelancing journey on Fiverr, always strive to evolve and improve. Stay updated with industry trends, learn new skills, and invest in your professional development. Regularly update your gigs and portfolio to reflect your growth and stay ahead of the competition. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive understanding of how to get started on Fiverr. Remember, success on the platform requires dedication, proactive marketing, and consistently delivering high-quality work. We wish you the best of luck on your freelancing journey. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.